make videos and that sort of thing. And he knows them and
porn videos.
Yeah.
That's really what they have.
This is all casting capture. But
Thinking of
Oh my gosh, this is sucking.
Look,
Yeah. We got it.
I've been grinding so long, been trying this shit for years. And I got nothing to show, just climbing this rope right here. And if there's a man upstairs, he kept bringing me rain. But I've been sending up prayers and something's changed. I think I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Now all my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. It's good to be alive right about now. Now.
Solid day of boarding, folks. Yeah. We're in the shore. Dude, rocking it, man. Just got own it. It's icy. It's windy. We're dying. It's a good day. Good day. Solid. You know, when the wind dies down, it's not terrible. Like, you're actually warm. And he's over here laughing at my